Hey guys, this is Amit Bansal from Mathrizona. This is the third and final video in series 2016 National Curriculum Test for Mathematics Paper 3 Reasoning. Okay, let's get started. Instructions. Always use instructions before we start the exam. So you have, in this one, you have 40 minutes to complete the test and follow the instruction for each question. Work as quickly and as carefully you can. If you need to do working out, you can use the space around the question, but definitely do not write over any barcodes because those are used for any marking. Because okay, there are some questions that have a method box like this one, and so you can use this method box to show your method, and for each method showing you will get an extra marks. And if you finish before the end, go back and check your work definitely. And marks, the number under each line at the side of the page tells you the maximum number of marks for each question. Okay, let's get started. First question. The number in this sequence increases by 14 each time. So it's telling that it increases by 14 each time. Write the missing number. So first number we don't know that, but the next number, which is 14, more than the first number. So 82 is like 14 more than the first number. To calculate this, we can do 14 take away 82. So 12 is greater than 4. So we will carry from here, and this will be 7. So 12 take away 4 is 8, and 7 take away 1 is 68. So our first number is 68. To calculate the second number, we will either add 14 to this number because each number is increased by 14, or we can do subtraction 14 from 124 to. We will do the summation. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry forward, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. So that is 110. Okay, third question. 138 plus 14. Using the column method, 8 plus 4 12, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. 5. So that is 152. Good. Next question. Okay, these tables show the temperature at 9 a.m. on 3 days in January. So 1st of January we have plus 5 degrees centigrade, 8th of January minus 4. Look like it's getting chillier. 15th January it's plus 1 degree centigrade. What's the difference between the temperature on 1st of January and the temperature on 8th of January? So 1st of January we have plus 5 and 8th of January minus 4. So it's the temperature is getting reduced. But it's if we see these number on the number line, it was plus 4, but then it reaches to 0 and then 4 further placed down on the number line. So to calculate this, 5 minus and then the minus 4. So minus plus minus 4. So that is 5 plus 4. So the difference is 9 degrees centigrade. On 22nd of January, the temperature was 7 degrees lower than 15th of January. On 15th of January, the temperature was 1 degree centigrade, and it's saying 7 degree lower than. So 1 minus 7, which is nothing but minus of 6. So the temperature was minus 6 degrees centigrade. Okay, good. Third question. A clock shows this time twice a day. Pick the two digital clocks that shows this time. So if you see the timing, it's between 2 and 3. So that means it's 2 and 9, which is nothing but in minutes, it's 45. So the time is 2:45. So in digital clock, which is a 24-hour clock, first it will show this one. So this is our first value. And after, so this is in midnight, and then after 12 hours, so if we do 12 plus 2, 14, so that will be 14:45, which is this value. So these are our two values in digital clock. Good. Let's move to the next question. Each shape stands for a number. So we have triangle and the circle, and in this one, from top to bottom, so this showing the number of these three triangles, it's showing 96, and number of these two triangles and two circle, it's showing 100. So we have to calculate, work out the value of each shape. So triangle and the circle, let's work it out. So first let's work it out. between the three triangles. So 1, 2, 3. So we have three triangles. So if we say three triangles is equal to 96. So one triangle will be 96 divided by 3 using the short division. 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. So that means triangle is 32. Now two triangles and two circle are 100. So two triangles and we have means 32. So that means 2 times 32 plus 2 circles is equal to 100. 2 times 32 using the multiplication. 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. So 64 plus 2o is equal to 100. So if you work it out, 100 minus 64, that will be value of 2o. So we will take the value, carry forward. So 10 minus 4, 6, and it will be 9. 9 minus 6, 3. So 2o is equal to 36, means o will be half of 36, which is 18. So o is 18. Good. Next question. Write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. 0.78, 0.607, 5.6, 0.098, 4.003. So in this question, we have to first see if we have to first see which is a smaller number in terms of decimal. So you have 0.78. So we have to check if there is any number which have 0 at the 10th place after the decimal. So which is this number. So this one is the smallest one. So this one will be 0.098. Next number. So 0.098, and the next number is 0.607 because the 10th place number is 6, but here we have 7. So it will be 0.607, and the next number will be 0.78. After that, we have at the unit place we have 4, and here we have 5. So that means this will be our next number, 4.003, and then at the end it will be 5.6. So that's the order. Moving on to next question. Okay, so here Jacob cuts 4 meters of ribbon into 3 pieces. The length of the first piece is 1.28 meters and the length of the second piece is 1.65 meters. Work out the length of the third piece. So for this, we first sum up these two values and to calculate how much meter he has used. That is 1.28 and 1.65. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry forward, 6 plus 2, 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 2.3 meter he has used. Work out the length of the third piece, which will be 2.3 take away from 4. So that will be, because we are working out in meter directly. So we'll take the value from here. 10 take away 3, 7. And here it will be 9. 9 minus 9, 0. And here it will be 3. So 3 minus 2, 1. So it is 1.07 meter is our answer. Okay, next question. Here are 5 angles marked on a grid of squares. Okay, so it's saying that uh, each of these square box is a square, right? So we have to work out which are, write the letters of the angles that are obtuse. So in a square, like if we start from here, like let's see angle E. So this is our baseline. So this is covering 2 squares and this is covering 1 square. So here, ideally, this should be the covering from 2 squares. This should be our 90-degree angle, but it is more than 90. So one angle is C, which is obtuse. Okay. And then coming from here, A here. So it's covering one square box. So according to this, from one square box to one square box, this would be our 90. But this angle here, it's showing it's greater than 90. So another angle which is obtuse is our E. Coming for acute. The next question. So here it's covering one line here, so one square. So according to this should be our 90-degree angle, but here it's less than 90, which means A is our next acute angle. And coming to B, so B is covering one square. B is covering one square here, and here it's also covering one square. So B is 90-degree angle, which is not neither acute nor obtuse. But D is covering three squares, so technically in the 90-degree angle would be this. So this would be the 90-degree angle, but here it is less than, quite less than 90. So D is our next acute angle. So A and D our acute angles. Okay, going to next question. Olivia buys 3 packs of nuts. See page for the 2 pound coin. This is her change. What is the cost of one packet of nuts? Okay, so to work it out, first we will calculate, we will basically, this is the change. So this is the money that she get back after paying for these 3 packets. Let's first sum of these numbers. So 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5. 50 plus 20, if we do the column method, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 90. So 95p is the sum of, is the change that she got. So if we work out in columns, so 200 pound makes 200 pence, 2 pound makes 200 pence, and if we subtract minus 95p, we'll take the carry, so that is 1, that will become 9, okay, and that will become 1. So 10 take away 5, 5, 9 minus 0, and that is 1. So we have left 105p. So this is the total cost that she paid for these 3 packets. So this is the cost of 3 packet is equal to 105 pc is 105p. So one packet cost will be 105 divided by 3. So using the small division, 3 3 is 9, take away 1, 10 minus 9 1, and 3 5 is 15. So 35p is our answer. Okay. Next question. Here is a part of the bus timetable from Riverdale to Mount Haven. How many minutes does it take the 10:31 bus? So if we from Riverdale to reach Mount Haven. So if we go to Riverdale, so this is our 10:31 bus to Mount Haven. So basically going from overall to here. So starting at 10:31 and reaching at 11:17. So if we calculate the timing, 10:31 to 11 is our 29 minutes, 60 minus 31, and from 11 to 11:17 is 17 minutes. So it's 29 plus 17, 9 plus 7, 16, carry forward, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So that is 46 minutes. Okay. Next question. Mr. Evans is at Fordham at 10:30. So 10:30 he's here. What's the earliest time he can reach Stratford on the bus? Now from 10:30, the next bus after 10:30 is 10:38, and which reaches to Tremont at 10:44. So that's the earliest he can reach at the 10:40 at the Tremont. So this is our timing. That will be 10:44. Moving on to next question. Emma makes a cuboid using 12 cubes. So it's using the like 1 meter cube or 1 centimeter cube, we can say. So is she using 12 cubes. Write the letter of the cuboid that has a different volume, m as cube. Now, volume is nothing but volume of one cube makes like is contributing to 12 cubes. So the volume of 12 cubes will be the same here, any shape which is made of 12 cubes again. So we will count the number of cubes in each of the cuboid and we'll see which cuboid have a different number of cubes other than 12. So let's starting with shape A. So that is having second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So which is matching with, so this is 12, so this is not different. Let's go to column shape B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is again 12. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again 9, 10 in the background, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that is having 18. So this is the shape. Like we don't have to work out D and E because it's asking which letter. It doesn't ask that how many shapes are different. So look like C is our answer, but still just for our verification we can check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, background 10, 11, background 10, 12. So that is again is in 12. So C is our answer. A toy shop orders 11 boxes of marbles. Each box contains 6 bags of marbles and each bag contains 45 marbles. How many marbles does the shop order in total? So first, a toy shop ordered 11 boxes and then each of those boxes have 6 bags and each of those bags have 45 marbles. So first we will calculate the number of total bags. So we have 11 boxes, okay, and 6 bags. So one box is having 6 bags, okay. So 11 boxes will have 11 times 6 is equal to 66 bags, right? And then each bag contain 45 marbles. So that means it will be 66 times 45. We do the multiplication. Okay. So 5 6 are 30. 0. Carry forward 3. 5 6 are 30 plus 3. 330. We place 0 here. Then 4 6 are 24. 4. And then 2 carry forward. 4 6 are 24 plus 2. 26. Okay, 0, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 2 plus, yeah, 2 plus 0, 2. So these are the total number of marbles, 2970. Okay, moving into the next question. A triangle is translated from position A. So this is our position A and is moving translated to this position. So we have to calculate the triangle has moved how many squares to the right. So to work it out, we will see point A. We can consider the movement of this point and this point because this is the corresponding point. So this is the x-axis. It has moved to this direction, right? So we will calculate the number of squares from here to here. This will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6 squares to the right. Now coming from this point to this point, we will calculate the number of squares down. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 square down. Good. Next question. Lara chooses a number less than 20 and she divides it by 2 and then adds 6. She then divides this result by 3. Her answer is 4.5. What was the number she started with? So she's doing the calculation like this, and we have to calculate the number which she initially thought. To work it out, we will do the reverse calculation. In the reverse calculation, but whenever we say divides, In the reverse, it will be multiply. Whenever she adds, it will be subtract. And whenever it's divide, it's again multiply. Okay, and it's saying the number is less than 20. Let's see. So 4.5 and then first it's saying divide by 3. So that means in the reverse it will be multiply. So 3 5s are 15 dot 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. So that's our number. Then it's saying add 6 means in the reverse we will do subtraction. 35 point minus 6 6.0, 5 remains as it is. 13 minus 6 7. C divides it by 2. That means in the reverse it will be multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 and which is less than 20. So our answer is 15. Moving on to next question. Complete each sentence using a number from the list below. There are dash number of seconds in an hour. So we have to work it out which number could be. So in an hour, we know that like either we can work it out, otherwise we can like by if you know by heart, you can mark it. To calculate this in a second, so in an hour there are 60 minutes, and in 60 minutes, each minute is having 66 60 seconds, right? That means the total number of seconds in an hour will be 60 times 60. Two zeros, 6 times 6, 36. That means in an hour there are 36 seconds. That will be here. There are dash number of minutes in a day. So in a day we have 24 hours, and in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So to work it out, 12 0, 24 6, it's 144, right? So that's our answer for second part. There are 1440 minutes in a day. Next question. Complete this table by rounding their numbers to the nearest 100. So nearest 100, we will say the 100 place here and see. So the next number is 0, which is less than 5. So the nearest rounded 100 value will be 20900. Again here, the 100 place is 0 and the next value is 9, which is greater than 5. So the nearest 100 will be 2100. We will add 1 to this 0 value, 100 place value. Now in this question 209, and after decimal it's 0, which is less than 5. So the rounded value will be 209. Right? Moving to next question. 6 small bricks have the same mass as 5 large bricks. So it's saying that like these small bricks, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, have the same mass as these 5 large bricks. So we have so the mass of one small brick is 2.5 kg. What is the mass of one large brick? So first we will calculate the mass of all the small bricks. So we have one small brick's weight is 2.5. So the 6 will be 6 5s are 30. Carry forward 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3. So 15. So 15 is the total mass of 6 bricks, which is equal to the same mass of 5 large bricks. So that means 5 bricks equal to 15 kg. One large bricks will be 15 divided by 5, which is nothing but 5 3s are 15. So the one large bricks weight will be 3 kg. Okay. Moving on to next question. Here are 5 triangles on a square grid. 4 of the triangle have the same area. Which triangle have the different area? So to start with, if we imagine that it's a kind of like 1 centimeter or 1 unit. So this is a 2 and this is 3 units. So the calculate area of the triangle is nothing but half of the base. So here the base is, so C will be 2 times 3. 2 1s are 2. So the area of C is 3 square units, whether it's centimeter or meter, but it will be 3 square units. Okay, let me just make it clear. So 3 square units. For D, we calculate the D. So D is 3, the base is 3, and the height is 2. So it's same like 2 times 3, which is again 3. Okay. For E, we have 2 and 3. So we will get the same area 3. In B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the base is 1. So in case of B, so this is not, so all three are having same area. For B, it's half, and the base is 1, and the height is 6. Height is 6, so 2 3s are. So B is also 3. Let's calculate for, so look like A is our answer, but let's verify for A. So in A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the base is 1. So it will be 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2.5. So that is means A is having a different area. Moving to next question. The diagonals of this quadrilateral cross at one right angles. So if you see, diagonals are basically are having all the four angles are 90-degree. Take all the quadrilaterals that have diagonals which cross the right angles. So let's try to diagnose this. So diagonals of this will be this, and this will be this. So it look like it's a 90-degree. So this one will be our first shape. Okay, and this one, if we see, so this is one diagonal and this is second diagonal, and we are not saying these are 90 because this one is obtuse and this one is acute. Let's try for this one. Square, and in square the diagonal crosses each other at 90-degree angle. So that's our second shape. Okay, let's move to next question. We don't have to work out the quadrilateral. Circle two numbers that multiply together to 1 million. In 1 million, we know that 1 million is nothing but 1 and 6 zeros, right? Okay, to work it out, we will see, let's say 200 times 2, that will become 4. So I definitely these two numbers cannot be, but 5 to the 10, let's work out these two numbers. So 3, 2, and 5 to the 10. So 10 and these two 0 and these 3 0. So it's matching with our 1 million number. That means these are the two numbers. Okay. Lara had some money. She spent 1.25 on a drink, spent 1.60 on a sandwich, and three quarters of the money left. How much money did Lara have to start with? Okay. So first let's sum up what all her spendings. So pound 1 pound and 160. Let's add up these two. 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 2 8, and 1 plus 1 2. So this is the money she spent on drink and sandwich, and she has three quarter left. So if we say we have the full money as 1 and three quarter is left, that means she spent 1 by 4 quarter. So basically 1 by 4, which is a quarter. That means if we multiply 2.85 times 4, that will give us the one value, and which will have the full value. So let's multiply 4, 4 5 are 20, carry forward 2, 4 8 are 32 plus 4, 34, carry forward 3, 4 2 are 8 plus 1 plus 3, 11. So our answer is 11.40 she started with. Okay, last question. 5542 divided by 17 is equal to 326. Explain how can use this fact to find the answer to 18 times 23, 326. Okay, so you have to explain how we can use this logic to 18 times 26. So 5542, so we can write 5542. If it's a division in the cross multi, in the if we take these two on the right hand side, it will be 320 times 17, right? That means 5542, if we add one more time to 326, will be equal to 326, 17 plus 1, that will be 18. So that's the, so hence we can use this logic to basically use the value of, to calculate the value of 18 times 326. Okay, end of test. So let's quickly check. We have done all the question in your exam. Do once you if you finish the test before exam, I always recommend just check all the questions again and check if all the answers are correctly placed onto the answer box, because that's the place you will get the marks. So this was the last video for 2016 math series. In the next series, we will start for 2017. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to our channel. Take care.